Hi everybody, I show you today the use of the BE line control board, which is equipping our medium line blast chillers and shock freezers. Here you will see the same functions as in the BF line, the simple one, but in a nice control board which has a part digital and one part is the buttons, which allow you to activate all the functions and seeing on the display what the machine is doing. Well, first of all, the machine now is in standby. This is the standard screen. It's showing 11 degrees inside the cabinet. First thing to do in the morning is, of course, run the pre-cooling cycle. You see, you have different possibilities. Sorry, going back, keeping pressed. No, you need to press chill to go out from any program. Okay, so again, aux, pre-cooling, arrow up and down, allow you to select other function, pre-cooling and start. The machine will run the pre-cooling cycle. Okay, after you finish to pre-cool the machine, thus making the temperature go down to +5, you can run any cycle. So the cycles are the same as in the BF line: blast chilling, shock freezing. Okay, and blast chilling can be run with a core thermometer, press twice, by time. Core thermometer means that the machine will blast chill when reaching 3 degrees measured in the core of the product. The machine will go on conservation, so keeping the set temperature positive 3 degrees until you switch off the machine. If you run the cycle by time, after 90 minutes the machine will stop blast chilling and will switch to conservation, work like a fridge, keeping your products at 3 degrees. Also here you have blast chilling hard and blast chilling soft. You see, you can choose. Blast chilling soft is for delicate products, since you're using delicate air temperatures, which could be pasta, rice, vegetables, fish, products that you don't want to ruin with too aggressive temperatures. But there is also blast chilling hard. You see, you just switch using this button. You have blast chilling hard, which, as in the BF line, allows you to save time. How? By using in the first phase, when the product is warmer, a more aggressive air temperature, which can go even to -20 for the first phase. In the second phase, the machine will go on less aggressive temperature, so delicate air temperature around 0, until or you reach 3 degrees in the core, or until you reach the 90 minutes countdown. So remember, blast chill by probe, by time. Soft, delicate products; hard, more consistent products like chicken, like big chunks of meat, like soups, like sauces, and products like this, which are less delicate. You use the hard, and you save time thanks to the aggressive air temperature, which can go to -20. You have also the shock freezing. Shock freezing using the core thermometer and using time, adjustable again, you decide. And hard and soft. Hard is the classic shock freezing cycle, where you use all the power of the compressor to reach minus 18 in the core if you use the core thermometer, or lowest possible air temperature for 240 minutes. So minus 18 in the core, the goal, or 240 minutes. Also, at the end of these two cycles, one by thermometer, one by time, the machine will switch automatically to conservation mode, meaning that the shock freezer will work like a freezer, keeping the minus 18, minus 20 temperature of the product inside the shock freezer. Very easy. So as you see, the logic is exactly the same. So switch on the machine, pre-cool the machine, use blast chilling or shock freezing, run all the cycles you need. Certain point of the day, if the room is very humid, if you run many cycles and you see frost on the evaporator, you run a defrosting cycle. Again, aux, defrost, start, and the machine will run the defrosting cycle. How? You need to open the door, the machine will start the ventilation without switching on the cooling system. So the melting of the frost of the ice inside the cavity will be done by air from the environment, which will be sucked in by the fan, turning at the highest possible speed with the door open. The preset is 30 minutes, but you can stop the cycle before time, or you can increase that time. Simply arrow up, arrow down. So after defrosting, the machine will be clean and ready for different cycles. Okay, then there is another nice button, menu. Sorry, I need to go back because now it's telling me to change the time. I stop the cycle, I wait for the standby. Yes, menu. You can change the languages, you can check the relay status on, off, you can modify the parameters, you can see the HACCP alarms, you can go back to the factory settings, or simply adjust the clock. This was the menu. Aux, before you have seen pre-cooling and defrosting. Okay, then there is sorry, then there are, wait for standby, keep doing the same mistake too. Aux, you see there is fish sanitation and hardening and programmable recipes. Fish sanitation, what is it? It's a cycle meant to kill anisakis, so the parasite in fish. How? You must using the lowest possible air temperature, so shock freezing hard cycle, reach minus 18 in the core of the fish, then keep for 24 hours the fish frozen at minus 20. After that, the fish will have no more parasites. And this is a sanitation cycle, let's say, for killing anisakis or other parasites. Hardening is used for gelato. It's just, you see, ice cream hardening. It will use minus 36 air temperature constantly. Here you can adjust the time, and then you start the machine and you will run the cycle. Well, this cycle is a bit fake, I tell you honestly, because when you use the shock freezing by time 240 minutes, you can give all the time you need for gelato. This is perfect because you use the lowest possible temperature, you give the time you want, so 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours, 1 day, whatever, and then you press start and the machine will run the hardening cycle on gelato, and every 10 minutes you put in a new tub, take out the tub inserted 10 minutes before, like this in rotation. Stop the cycle, keep pressed. Sorry. I stopped it, but it's in pump down mode. Voila. Now it can be stopped. Okay, so this was the BE line. Of course, there's a deeper level for changing the parameters, but this is something if you need to customize cycles on your customers' needs. For this, please make contact with our offices, and we will send you the parameter list to modify with the right settings. Thank you. Bye bye.